Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video on dental restoration. In this video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about dental restoration. We'll talk about what it is, the different types of dental restoration, the benefits of dental restoration, and the procedures involved in restoring your teeth. Let's get started. What is dental restoration? Dental restoration is the process of restoring a damaged or decayed tooth to its original function and appearance. The goal of dental restoration is to preserve the tooth and prevent further damage or decay. Types of dental restoration. There are several types of dental restoration, including fillings, crowns, bridges, and implants. Let's take a closer look at each type. Fillings. Fillings are the most common type of dental restoration. They are used to fill cavities caused by decay or trauma. Fillings can be made of a variety of materials, including composite resin, amalgam, gold, and ceramic. Crowns. Crowns are used to cover and protect a damaged or weakened tooth. They are typically made of porcelain or ceramic and are custom-made to fit your tooth. Bridges. Bridges are used to replace one or more missing teeth. They consist of a false tooth, called a pontic, that is attached to the adjacent teeth using crowns. Implants. Implants are used to replace one or more missing teeth. They consist of a titanium post that is surgically placed into the jawbone and a crown that is attached to the post. Benefits of dental restoration. There are many benefits to dental restoration, including improved oral health, improved appearance, improved speech, and improved self-esteem. Let's take a closer look at each benefit. Improved oral health. Dental restoration can help improve your oral health by removing decay and preventing further damage to your teeth. Improved appearance. Dental restoration can also improve your appearance by filling in gaps, covering stains, and restoring the natural shape of your teeth. Improved speech. Dental restoration can also improve your speech by filling in gaps and restoring the natural shape of your teeth. Improved self-esteem. Dental restoration can also improve your self-esteem by giving you a healthy, beautiful smile. Procedures involved in dental restoration. There are several procedures involved in dental restoration, including X-rays, exams, cleanings, fillings, crowns, bridges, and implants. Let's take a closer look at each procedure. X-rays and exams. X-rays and exams are used to diagnose dental problems and determine the best course of treatment. Cleanings. Cleanings are used to remove plaque and tartar from your teeth and gums. Fillings. Fillings are used to fill cavities caused by decay or trauma. Crowns. Crowns are used to cover and protect a damaged or weakened tooth. Bridges. Bridges are used to replace one or more missing teeth. Implants. Implants are used to replace one or more missing teeth. Conclusion. In conclusion, dental restoration is an important process that can help improve your oral health, appearance, speech, and self-esteem. Whether you need a filling, crown, bridge, or implant, there are many options available to help restore your teeth. If you're in need of dental restoration, be sure to consult with your dentist to determine the best course of treatment for your needs. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching.